Update on the Jon Boat. I've purchased the PVC here, and the goal here is to get this to heat up and bend and fit under this lip all the way down, so I can reset these oar pockets into something real solid. But fiberglass is really expensive, so I am going to try a YouTube favorite that everybody loves on this fiberglass boat. Yep. We'll see. Never tried it before. Way cheaper than fiberglass. Doesn't work though, that's okay. I can still fiberglass this pipe on.
As you can see here, I used my Harbor Freight heat gun to bend the other side, and it's completed. Unfortunately, my heat gun died going through that process. I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, it's a cheapie from Harbor Freight. Yeah, well, it's lasted 5 years, so I can't complain. Right here, I am actually rigging up my boat line in just a quick way to show you how to keep knots from showing. I just kind of run that right back through. You get the right kind of rope. It actually comes with a fancy needle called a fit that you can do this with. I'm setting up an anchor bucket here, mainly just because right now I don't have a trailer for the boat, so it ends up going to the back of the pickup truck and we end up taking things in and out. So this kind of just makes it easy for me to move my anchor.
Here we go with the night before setup. We've got the oars in. Just start at the bow here. Put in a new bow line. This bow line has got a handle here, so you can drag it up out of the water, or if you want, you can stand here and hold on to it. It's up to you. So like I said, we got our oars mounted here. Seems to be working just fine. We've ran our PVC around the entire edge of the boat. As you can see, it kind of comes down here, and you can see it running all the way around. And it is solid all the way through. Over there where the oar pockets come in, it's siliconed real good. I wouldn't say it's 100% airtight, but it's definitely going to hold water out for a while. And we've got our cushions. Need to get some seats yet for this boat. Extra paddles, our fishing poles, our anchor bucket, fish bucket. We've got room underneath the seat there in front for the tackle box, and then a sorting box. I need to get some things to mount my fishing poles here for the sides, for both sides. You can see I've got a experiment going here with that Gorilla Glue. Let's see if that thing actually holds nice and tight. If it does, then I got another fishing rod holder. If it does, then I'll go buy another tube. And I'll put one in that corner, and then maybe another one in the bow there. But right now, let's see how this holds up. Tomorrow, we'll be loading her up, taking her out another time. Who knows, maybe we'll get lucky, catch some salmon.